In this video, I will show you on how to clear WhatsApp storage, delete large file, junk file, APK download file, as the case may be, all in your WhatsApp. I'm going to show you on how to clear the storage, free up enough storage space on your WhatsApp without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your WhatsApp app. Go ahead and click on these three dots from the top corner. Proceed to settings. Scroll down right here. Go to storage and data. Go ahead and click on manage storage. Okay, here you go. Right here you have forwarding messages, large file more than 5 megabytes, and you have chat review. That is chat history review. First thing first, I'm going to go ahead and click on the large files. First thing first, I'm going to go ahead and work with large file right here, which consume about 2.7 gig right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Then you see all large files right here. Okay, the more you scroll down, the more you see all large files in your WhatsApp media sections right here. So what you want to do right there is go ahead and make sure you select the files, as many as possible you want to delete. You can either select all. So you can see if I select all these files, I'm going to save nothing less than 2.6 gigabytes in my WhatsApp storage right here. However, you can scroll down and review and check as many as possible files. If you don't want to delete all at once, you can uncheck some of them that you still want to keep in your WhatsApp file. Like for instance, I'm going to uncheck this. So once I uncheck, it simply means that it's not going to be completely deleted with the rest of the file. I'm going to uncheck this also. Then you can scroll and then review as many as possible and see some of the ones that you would like to uncheck right here. Okay. Once you are satisfied with the rest, and the next thing you want to do is to simply come to the top right here and then go ahead and hit on delete. Delete items. Item will be deleted from your WhatsApp media unless they are still. Delete item may still be saved on your devices. Go ahead and you can as well delete from steer file. Okay, check on steer file as well to delete everything. Go ahead and hit on delete right here. And in a few seconds, all the items right here, all the large files from your WhatsApp is going to be successfully deleted, just like what you see right here. So let's go back to the home page right here. So by the time you refresh your storage, you find out that you are saving some storage. So let's go back and then reload storage management. Now you can see I was able to save more than enough right here. Then you can review as many as possible. Let's go ahead and review our forwarding messages right here, like forwarding of audio file, forwarding of picture, forwarding of text, as the case may be. I'm going to select all file right here, and I will simply go ahead and click on this trash icon to delete everything, just like so. Go ahead and hit on delete. Boom, successfully deleted. And let's go back to our media storage right here. By the time we refresh, we find out that some of the files is going to be reduced. Let's go back and then reload our managed storage right here. Just like so. Then the next thing you want to do right here is to review some charts that are taking more storage space on your phone. So you can scroll down right here and allow everything to load up. So if you have any chat history that is taking more storage on your phone and you would like to delete them, or you just want to make sure you click on the chat, whether chat or group. Like for instance, take a look at this particular group right here. It's occupy about 32 megabytes on my storage right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and then you see all files from this group right here. I'm going to go ahead and simply click on here to select everything. Once I select everything, then I'm selecting about 221 file at a 29 megabytes. So next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on this trash bin right here. This will delete everything and save more storage on my WhatsApp media file sections right here. It's that simple. You can go back right here again, review as many as possible different chats right here in in order to free up more storage. This is another group chat right here, which is occupy 44.7 megabytes. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the group right here and then select everything in this group media file right here. If you don't want to delete all, you can uncheck some of the file that you have in right here. So the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this trash icon, click on delete, and this will delete all the media file that I have in this particular section right here. And as a result of that, I saved about 11 point something megabytes. You can go on and review as many as possible. You can click on see all right here. This will allow you to see all previous and the current chart that occupy more storage space. You can review and delete as many as possible unnecessary chart history in order to free up more storage space in your WhatsApp. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use WhatsApp, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.